Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove or turn off tag or mention on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to show you how we can turn off the tag or mention so anyone cannot mention us on TikTok. We need to go to our TikTok setting guys. Go to our profile first, and then we're going to click on the three lines on the top right, and here we need to select the settings and privacy, and then choose the privacy. And in this privacy, we need to scroll down until we find the interactions menu and select mentions. And if you don't want to be mentioned by anyone on TikTok, you need to change the mention setting. Tap on this option, and then you can select no one, so no one can mention you on their TikTok, such as in their descriptions, stickers, comments, or stories. Okay, make sure you have selected no one. Okay, and then I'm going to try to mention this account with my second account on TikTok. So I'm going to switch to my second account, this one. Okay, and I'm going to mention my first account to check it. I'm going to mention it in a command, for example. Right here, I'm going to go to the command section, and I'm going to add a command, and I'm going to tag my first account or mention my first account. And as you can see guys, that this account cannot be mentioned due to the privacy setting. Okay, and then I'm going to try to mention it in my story. So I'm going to create a story. I'm going to create this story, and I'm going to mention my first account. Okay, tap mention, and I'm going to mention it. Okay, as you can see that we cannot mention this person due to the privacy setting. Okay guys, so that's all the way to turn off tag or mention on TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.